Good. Is it live? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Good. Okay. Good. So welcome back, Facebook, and we got a quick review here of the Schwar sound for American accent training. Okay. The Schwar is a combination of the schwa and the letter R. Now we got to understand that there are two kinds of there's two sounds to this. The first sound is going to be a very short sound represented by this symbol, and it's going to be like this. Look at my mouth. Right? I actually call this I like to tell my students that it's like the trompita sound, right? Look at my mouth. And it's short. And then we have the much longer version of this, which is the It just lasts a bit longer, represented by this this symbol here. And here we have some examples for you guys. Let's start with short. Usually the Schwar sound is found at the end, and it has a certain spelling. Remember the spellings? Yeah, one of the common spellings is ER. So we'll have tiger, other, letter, confirm, after, butter, center, dinner. Right? So short sound in these words. Usually ER endings are common in this, right? So I want to hear that. So let's do it. Tiger, other, letter, confirm, after, butter, center, dinner. Good job. Okay. Now let's move on to the much longer sound, which is the sound. And here, there's a word that kind of confuses a lot of people. Very little word. This is turtle. There we go. Turtle. So you got to make that a bit longer. Turtle. Good. So we're gonna a little turtle there. Okay. But just imagine it's a turtle. Right, cockroach. It's a turtle. There it is. So we're gonna go turtle. Good. Circus. Right, so we got that circus. Shirt. Skirt. Verb. Disturb. Good. Word. Hurt. Good. So we would not get it right if we did it like short. If we said it short, we say turtle. That wouldn't work. We would need to make it longer and say turtle.
Password.
That's right. Password. There you go. Good one. All right. So that's the long version of the Schwar and the short version. Okay. So let's do a little practice time. Okay. Let's do short and then we'll do longs. Okay. All right. Let's rock and roll. Tiger. Turtle. Other. Circus. Good. Letter. Shirt. Look at my mouth. Shirt. So it's incorrect to say shirt, right? You've heard that a lot, right? So it's shirt. Okay. Over here. Confirm. Skirt. Nice. After. Verb. Nice. Butter. Disturb. Good. Center. Word. Good. Remember a beautiful Miss Churchman, right? Go did. Word. Okay, good. Awesome. Dinner. Hurt. Nice. Now I'm going to mix it up. You ready? Okay. Here you go. Turtle.
Confirm. Disturb.
Nice.
Butter.
Good.
Hurt.
Good. Let me give you a tip. This is gonna improve your pronunciation a lot. My Canadian teacher, Mrs. Churchman in the States. Sorry about that. I'm using.
No worries.
Yeah, as I was saying, my Canadian teacher, Mrs. Churchman, like she would like stress the fact that very little she would go like she would teach everybody to go like d, stress those consonants. So here, if you say word, that's going to help you a lot. Word. You're going to sound much clearer, especially over the phone. Word. Here, if you stress the T, and go hurt, hurt, that's going to help you a lot. Here, the B's, verb, verb, disturb, good, skirt, shirt, circus, turtle, turtle, turtle. That's right, that's right. So if you stress those endings, you're going to sound so much better. All right? So I want to hear it again. Ready? Go.
Hurt.
Good.
Word.
Good.
Disturb.
Good. Get that B in there.
Disturb.
Good.
Verb.
Good.
Skirt.
Good.
Shirt.
Nice.
Circus.
Nice.
Turtle.
Good. Good work, man.
Yeah.
See? Just little things make huge difference. Okay. Now let's mix it up again. Got it? What's this sound?
The shorts.
Okay. Can I hear it? Nice. All right. So I want to hear it. Ready? Okay. Here we go.
After.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's the tip.
Oh, okay.
It's the tip. I'm sorry. Go.
Disturb.
Good.
Verb.
Good.
After.
Good.
Brother.
Good.
Tiger.
Good.
Turtle.
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 Good.
Word.
Nice.
Confirm.
Good.
Hurt.
Nice. You're rocking it, bro. Over here.
Shirt. Skirt. Verb. Disturb. Word. Hurt.
Good. Could you say word?
Word.
D. Word.
Word.
And here, hurt.
Hurt.
Nice. All right. Let's go over here.
Dinner.
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 Good. Much better. Yeah.
Center.
Good.
Brother.
Good.
After.
Nice.
Confirm.
Good. I like that you said a schwa here. You said confirm. Yeah, that's good.
Leather.
Good.
Other.
Good.
And tiger.
Good. One last time.
Turtle.
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 Make it longer.
Turtle.
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 Good.
Circus.
Exaggerate. Make them long. Make them long. Make them long. Go.
Circus.
Good.
Shirt.
Nice.
Skirt.
Nice.
Verb.
You got it.
Disturb.
Nice.
Word.
Word.
Word. Heart.
Longer.
Verb.
That's it. Nice work.
Yep.
All right. So that's the Schwar sound. Facebook. Learn it here at the Excellence Language Facilitating Center. Mr. E, Chief Director, inviting everybody to come join. We got morning sessions, we got private sessions, we got call center sessions, we got sessions for kids. We've got it all. And we got French coming soon. So do check us out. You're all welcome to join us. See you next time, Facebook. Here's some people watching.